Hello. We use electricity every day, but you've ever stopped to think about what electricity actually does? Let's explore how electricity changes and powers our world. First, let's remember what electrical energy is. It's the energy that flows through wires like tiny little messengers carrying power. This energy is created by the movement of tiny particles called electrons. Think of them as tiny charged negative particles. One of the most common transformations is when electrical energy becomes light energy. When you flip a light switch, electricity flows into the light bulb, and inside, that electrical energy changes into light so we can see. But electricity can also transform into heat energy. Think about a toaster. Electricity flows into the toaster, and inside, it changes into heat, which makes your bread nice and crispy. Or think of a hairdryer, which uses electricity to create hot air. Want to listen to your favorite tunes? Your radio or your phone also uses electricity. Inside, electrical energy is changed into sound energy. That's how you hear music, stories, and all kinds of cool things. The electricity makes tiny parts inside the speaker vibrate, and that makes the sounds. Electricity can also make things move. Think about a fan. Electrical energy flows into the fan, and it changes into motion energy, making the blades spin and creating a cool breeze. A blender and a washing machine also use electricity to create motion. These are just a few examples. Electricity changing into other forms of energy, and it does it all the time around you. A TV uses electricity to make both light and sound. A computer uses electricity to power its screen, make sounds, and run its program. So remember, electrical energy is like a super transformer. It can change into light, heat, sound, motion, and many other types of energy. That's why electricity is so useful. It can power so many different things and make our lives easier and more fun. Thank you for watching.